Hi folks, Colin here, good to see you. Thanks for all the comments I got last week. There was a request to do Dark Lonely Street by Eddie Cochran, so I'm going to demonstrate that for you now. Okay, the main riff is really the A chord, and then you're going to play that Keith Richards sort of lick on top of it. So you're playing your A chord with one finger, bar 2 on the D, G, B, then you're going to put your second finger on the 3rd fret of the B, and put your ring finger onto the 4th fret of the D. And when the whole riff is play open E, then open A, in the A chord, and then play the open A again, then play your add the 2 fingers on, off, and it's the same idea over the D chord. Play the open A, open D, open D, then put your pinky on the 3rd fret of the high E, off, and back to the A. I'm going to play. Okay, so we're going to play the E bar chord, so it's 7th fret and playing the A-shaped bar chord like that. Putting your ring finger onto the 9th fret of the D, G, B, and you're going to play A, D, G, B, G, D. Move that back 2 frets, so that's a D chord. So that's, then we're going to go to the C sharp minor at the 4th fret, so you're playing an A minor shape. And then move that down 2 frets, that's a B minor. Move it up 2 frets, back, then play the first riff. And that's the whole song. So not too difficult. I hope you managed that, and just play the video a couple of times, slow it down if you need to, but that is essentially the whole song. Beautiful song. Eddie Cochran sings it in a very lilting, haunting kind of way. It's one of his best songs, I think, in many ways. If you're in the Glasgow area, we're going to be playing McSorley's on the 14th, the Sunday the 14th of October, 3 to 6 p.m. It would be great to see you there. And as always, give me your comments, give me your suggestions, and I'll try and sort something out for next week. Okay folks, see you next time.